Hello guys, welcome to Pharma Palette. Today we are going to discuss about the classification of adrenergic drugs, which are the real fight and flight squads of our body. So let's crack them with fun memory tricks. The adrenergic drugs are also called as sympathomimetics. To remember the entire classification of this, just remember A, B, C, D, E and U. So the first class is with A, which is anorectics. To remember these anorectics, these are the substances that are the appetite suppressants. This will be reducing the hunger. So, to remember the drugs under this, just remember the trick AFDS, where A means amphetamine, F means fenfluramine, D means dexfenfluramine, and S means sibutramine. So the second class in the adrenergic drugs is with B, which is bronchodilators. So to remember the drugs under this, just remember saltariform is isobam. Saltariform is isobam. So which means the drugs are salbutamol, terbutaline, formoterol, isoprenaline and bambuterol. Coming back to the third class, which is with the letter C, CNS stimulants. So the drugs under this will be ending with phytamine or phenidate, and they will be starting with A, M, D, E, M, E, and M, E. So the drugs are amphetamine, dexamphetamine, methamphetamine, and methylphenidate. So for remembering the CNS stimulants, just remember phytamine and phenidate and the starting letters so that you can write all these drugs. So the fourth class also starts with the letter C, which is cardiac stimulants. So to remember the drugs, just remember AID, AID, where A means adrenaline, I means isoprenaline, and D means dobutamine. So the fifth class in the adrenergic drugs will start with the letter D. So just remember decongestants so that you can remember nasal decongestants. So the drugs under this will be starting with the letters P NOx. So P cube NOx. So just remember P cube NOx, where P means phenylephrine, phenylpropanolamine, pseudoephedrine, and NOx. N means nafazolin, O means oxymetazoline, and X means xylometazoline. So the sixth class, to remember the sixth class, just remember the letter E, which means esser. Esser means pressor. So pressor agents. So the trick is need to pump, where N means noradrenaline, E means ephedrine, D means dopamine, P means phenylephrine, and M means methoxamine. So these are the drugs which will be coming under the pressor agents. The last class in the adrenergic drugs starts with the letter U, which means the uterine relaxants, and the trick is RITS, which means RITS. So the drug starts with R, which is ritodrin, I means isoxsuprine, T means terbutaline, and S means salbutamol. And the other trick is uterine. The word uterine has RINE, and this ritodrin has RINE, and also isoxsuprine also has RINE. So with this also you can remember these drugs. So these are the overall summary of all the tricks at one place. First one is anorectics. There you can remember AFDS. And second one is with B, bronchodilator. So saltariform isobam. And third one is with C, which is CNS stimulants and cardiac stimulants. So CNS stimulants means just remember phytamine and phenidate. And for cardiac stimulants, just remember AID, AID. And for D, which is nasal decongestants, just remember P cube NOx. And for E, which is pressor agents, need to pump. And for U, which is uterine stimulants, just remember RITS, which is RITS. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Pharma Palette. Comment below which trick has clicked in your brain. And see you all in the next video, and thanks for watching.